Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen sharing problems in Gather step by step. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, enter your workspace. To begin screen sharing, join a conversation or meeting, then click the Share Screen button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click it, the Choose What to Share window will appear. Here you have three options. You can share a Chrome tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. Simply choose the option that best fits what you want to present. If you're sharing a browser tab and want others to hear the audio, turn on the Also Share Tab Audio option before you continue. Next, select the tab, window, or screen that you want to share. After making your selection, the Share button will become available. Click Share to start sharing your screen with other participants. If the Share button is disabled, don't worry. Just make sure you've selected a tab, window, or screen first. Once something is selected, the button will become active. If screen sharing still doesn't work, check that your browser allows screen sharing and try opening the Share Screen window again. In most cases, selecting the correct tab or screen resolves the issue. These simple steps can help you start screen sharing successfully in Gather and make presentations, meetings, and collaboration much easier. And that's how you can fix screen sharing problems in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.